To get the best available deal for SiteGround, go to the link right here at the bottom of the screen, or just scroll down to the video description and click on the first link that you find there. When you land on the SiteGround WordPress hosting page, click Start Now. You'll see 3 hosting plans. For the absolute cheapest option, choose the Startup plan. It's advertised at $2.99 per month for the first year when you prepay for 12 months, and it renews at $17.99 per month after that. Selecting the annual term also unlocks a free domain for the first year. Go ahead and click Get Plan to start checkout. In step 2, you'll add your domain. The new domain option should already be selected. Enter the domain name you're interested in. In my case, I want to see if Matt's GWP site is available. Choose an extension. .com, .org, .net, or .us are all eligible for the free year. Click Continue to reserve it for your account. SiteGround will confirm the domain is available and include 1 year of registration at no additional cost. Next, create your account with an email and password. Then, complete your client information with your name, address, and phone number. After that, enter your payment card details. In the Purchase Information section, make sure the Startup Plan term remains at 12 months. That's the best deal. Now let's review the Extra Services section. SiteGround pre-selects domain registration, which is free for the first year, so that's great. Other add-ons are unchecked by default, such as domain privacy at $12 per year, site scanner, premium backup, and email marketing. I recommend leaving them unchecked unless you specifically want them. At the bottom, check the box indicating you've read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. The optional marketing opt-in is unchecked. I'll leave it that way to avoid promotional emails. When everything looks good, click Pay Now to finalize your purchase. You may be prompted to verify your phone number. Select either text message or phone call to receive your verification code, then click Next. When you receive the code, enter it and click Next again. You'll get a confirmation page. Go ahead and click to enter your client area. Next, you'll need to verify your domain registration. You'll see a banner on your dashboard notifying you about this. Open your inbox and find the email with the subject, Verification Required. Inside the email, click the verification link. On the page that loads, review your contact information and click the orange Verify Information button. You'll get a confirmation page.